In this problem, we are going to use the graph of y equals 2x plus 1 to find its slope and y-intercept. First, let's find the y-intercept. The y-intercept of a line is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. So, this line has a y-intercept of 0, 1. Next, let's find the slope. To find the slope of a line, we are going to choose 2 points on the line. For this line, let's use the points 0, 1 and 1, 3. Since the slope of a line is expressed as the ratio of the rise to the run, let's find the rise and run of the line. From the graph, we can see that the line has a rise of 2 units, and a run of 1 unit. So, the slope of the line is 2 over 1, which is simplified into 2.